Never waste a second of your life complaining about the challenges of life. You know what? Complaining doesn't solve the problems. Focus on what you can do today to make tomorrow better. Know that you can't rewind time. So stop complaining, my dear. Do you realize that someone didn't wake up today? But you did, my dear. That should be enough reason to stop complaining. Be grateful. Short notice food. You see those kind of friends who will just call you, oh, I'm in front of your house. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got them. I always catch them. Let's go right ahead. August visitors. Don't worry. So I just grab my frozen shrimps from the freezer. I clean it real fast and good. Lime and salt. I soak it for more flavor and kill bacteria. Just 2 minutes. And look at that, fresh. These are the spices, quick and easy. So we have our flour, our cayenne pepper, our Cajun spice, our ghost pepper, our onion powder, salt, and I mix. I set aside. And I'm ready to do a deep frying. So I coat my shrimps in my flour mix. It's very spicy because of the ghost peppers. So I deep fry for just 2 minutes. Very quick but tasty, my dear. Right, so let me just grab rice and do a quick, presentable fried rice, Anna. Sautéed rice. Getting all those starch out of the rice. I add some salt and I cover to cook. You're still checking the time? You're using coconut oil. My friend is just around the corner. So I add my tablespoon of coconut oil. Actually, it's 2. Once it's hot, I add my green peas. It's frozen because remember, one can't try me no, but I just add my rice. As simple as that. Me saute my rice so no come on. And this was ready in less than 5 minutes. On wabano, you see? Presentable, quick, easy, delectable. I enjoy eating shrimps because it's so juicy. It depends on how you cook it. If you cook it simple like this, delicious. And you know what? It's good for weight loss and maintenance, you know. The calories in the shrimps are low, while the protein and nutrient counts are ample. Thank you so much for all the support. I'm going to the market. You know what I'm gonna make? Kukunte is our next recipe. Ana yanko no fufune. Green soup ne peanut soup ne rice and cutting gunto. Leave in the comment below. Let me know what you think. Why? Bye bye.